Hey guys!
Hi guys. Today we're making salt clay.
Woohoo!
We've already heated up 1 cup of water and put it in this big container so that we can mix all our stuff up. So we got it hot in the microwave. I did it for about a minute, 20 seconds.
Minute and 20 seconds of warm water. Got it.
Then, Shrak is going to add 1 cup of flour that I've already measured. Okay?
1 cup.
She's going to pop it in there, and when she's doing that, I'm stirring it. But you don't have to have somebody pour it in. You can do it all yourself. Yeehaw.
Woohoo!
And she's doing it very nice job.
I watch a lot of Rachel Ray.
Ooh, I
and,
love her stuff.
you know.
She's so much fun. Yeah, she's getting that all in there. Now, we need 1 tablespoon.
Yep. 1.
That's the wrong one. Shoot.
1 tablespoon of oil. So basically that means like vegetable oil or olive oil or something like that. So this is extra virgin olive oil, which is what we're using.
Woo-hoo.
And then make sure it's a tablespoon, so the capital T, the larger one.
Yes.
And then do I just add this in, Mrs. Rios?
Yes.
Okay.
When she's adding that in, I'm going to make, this is a whole cup, but I'm only filling it up halfway. So you want 1/2 cup of salt, like that, okay? And she's mixing that, so I'm gonna do this too, right in the center. And then I'm wiping this out because we have 1 more ingredient, and this is a leveling agent. I spoke with Mrs. Desper on it, and we need to have 2 teaspoons of this. 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. So we're almost filling it up.
So you're gonna do.
We're just going to. I didn't use teaspoons. But I'm not filling it all the way up. I hope you can see that. Woo-woo.
2 teaspoons of cream of tartar,
It's
right?
called cream of tartar, and it's a leveling agent, actually.
A lot of times people use it in baking, so it could be in your mom's spice cabinet, and it's one thing that you don't use very often.
Yeah,
So-
unless you make snickerdoodles. It's the thing for snickerdoodles, which I don't like.
Okay.
But my husband does. Now she's mixing it up, and it looks pretty good. So now she wants to put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds, and we have another spoon. It's going to get clumpy, and she's going to put it in there, and she's going to stir it up and stir it up. I'm just going to go 33 seconds because I like double numbers. We're going to let it go. Then she's going to stir it again, and now it's going to start getting thicker. What we're trying to make is this jazz.
Ooh, that feels awesome.
Don't eat it, even though you might want to. You can smell it, but it's like Play-Doh basically.
Ooh,
It's a lot of fun, and this is what you're going to be making.
And you can also put, if you want
It's hard to keep her hands out of it.
I really do like it. If you want to, you can put like a couple drops of food coloring in it if you want it to be colored. But what we kind of wanted you to do is keep it white, because then it would be easier if you wanted to color or paint it later. It would be almost like clay, like this square.
It's thicker. I'm going to stir it.
Okay.
You're going to get a funky coagulation on the side, and so stir that baby up real quick, and it's going to start it's going to start getting at the bottom. You need to.
She's using a wooden spoon, so she can really be like aggressive when stirring it.
And it's. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's starting to ball up. It's not enough, so we've done it. We've done it a minute and
a minute for the water, and then 30 extra seconds. Now we're gonna do another 30 seconds.
And I'm scraping it off now because you want to get all of that heated. Oh shoot! Look at that. Don't eat it.
Get it? See what you did there?
No. That's a good one. And so. This is a fun recipe. It's cool. When you paint it, you
so
can
what are
use
some
markers.
things they could make? They could make with
You can
it.
make animals. You can make.
You could roll out nice coils. You could even try a little coil pot or a pinch pot would be good for a pinch pot.
Yeah, and I like making animals.
Okay.
Some people like to roll a slab and make like cookies and stuff for Christmas decorations, or we just
put your handprint in it. Put your dog's handprint in it. I've done that before.
Yeah,
paw
it's
print.
sparkles. Yeah. So. Whoop, there we go. I'm going to let you stir this.
Okay.
Ooh, it's really starting to
Okay, you can
now.
see it's starting to be a little bit harder now. Ooh, yeah.
And
Just
so
really kind of
stir this baby up, go to town on it.
Muscles.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go one more time, and that should get us.
So 3 times we think, but it may differ depending on your microwave at home.
Yeah. The last 30 seconds, I like breaking it into 2 15-second ones. You're gonna have to do that and get those balls of clay off, because it just clunks up on you.
Okay.
Clunking is a fun word that you can say because it works about with everything. So instead, what I do, I go 30 seconds, start it, and then I watch the clock. It's like, oh man, should I take it out
Watch
now?
pot never boils.
I know, that's what they say, but this one's doing it. And so
when they submit this to us, once they're done, they can take a picture of it and email it to, and you want to make sure if you have Mrs. Rail as a teacher, you email to R-Rail.
S-Rail.
Oh my gosh, srail@eastnoble.net or mschrock@eastnoble.net. So make sure you email it to your rate teacher.
Yeah, if you accidentally don't, because you like Mrs. Sharp so much, because you had a
We'll
last
make sure
year.
we get it.
Yeah, we'll get it. So now it's really thick. Ooh. You're going to think, oh my gosh, is that going to be too hot to handle? No. It's going to, because you stir it up, and when it gets like this ball, so we don't even have to do that last 15 seconds. We lucked out. So that took
30 seconds.
30 seconds plus you had the water hot to begin with.
Oh yeah, that's
So
good.
now what we do, this is the fun stuff. Roll up your sleeves. If you have rings on, take that off,
That's true.
You boys, take off all your bling bling. And then this is, I don't even think we need to add extra flour.
No, I think
But
that's good.
But if you do, this is what you do. Here's some more Jazz.
Ooh, it's nice and warm.
This is what you do. If it's too gooey, I'm just going to add a little flour. You put flour on your countertops. Make sure you clean up. Your mother or father will be angry, or whoever's telling you what to do. And wedge it just like you would if you were making clay. And you're just doing this so it's not sticky. But if you
get the hard lumps out too.
Yeah. And if you get too much flour in there, it's it'll get too dry.
And
it
then
won't be fun.
once you're done with your sculpture, it will dry out. So you need to let it set like on a paper plate or on a paper towel or something, not just on the counter. And let it dry out, and then it will harden for the next day.
Yep, when you're letting it dry. Another tip, if you're going to keep it a while, spray the inside of your bag with some spray, like oil spray, not water. Don't add any water, and that will keep it a little on the damp side.
Okay,
there we go.
So if you like and want to see more of our videos, like and subscribe below.
Yeah. I love you. Okay.